Hey everyone, I welcome you to another episode of Mathematic with Alimi Abdulhakim. Today we have a question under sequence and series, and this one in particular is under arithmetic progression, also known as linear sequence. The question goes thus: the fifth term of an arithmetic progression is 3 times the first term. Find the sum of the first 8 terms of the progression, given that a quarter of the fifth term is 9. This is quite easy for us to solve. The first thing we are going to do is we write out our parameters, and we have it that the fifth term of an arithmetic progression is 3 times the first term. So for this one now, we'll be applying Tn is equals to what? A plus n minus 1d. So what will my T5 be? My T5 will now become A plus 5 minus 1d, whereby my T5 becomes what? A plus 4d. So I have this to become A plus 4d is equals to what? 3a. I can solve this. This will become what? 3a minus 4d is equals to 0. So I can have this to become 2a minus 4d is equals to 0. I can also reduce this further to become a minus 2d is equals to 0. Let's have this as what? Equation 1. So the next sentence there, find the sum of the first 8 terms, given that a quarter of the fifth term, a quarter of the fifth term. So if I have a quarter of the fifth term, what will it be here? A quarter of the fifth term, that's 1/4 times the fifth term is equals to what? 9. So when we have this now, what is our fifth term? I have this to become 1/4 multiplied by a plus 4d, as we have shown earlier. So if I rewrite this now, multiply both sides by 4. Multiply both sides by 4. This will cancel each other. So I have this to become what? A plus 4d is equal to what? 36. Let's make this what? Equation 2. So I have this to become what? A minus 2d is equals to what? Okay, let's take it from equation 1. From equation 1, a minus 2d is equals to 0, equation 1. Make a the subject. Make a the subject of the relation. If I'm to make a the subject of the relation, what do I have here? This will become a is equals to what? 0 plus 2d. So I have my a here is equals to what? 2d. This will become equation 3. So since I've gotten equation 3, the next thing I will get here is what? Substitute. Substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So what is my equation 2 here? That's what? A plus 4d is equals to 36. That's equation 2. So what do I have next here? So this will now become what? 2d plus 4d is equals to what? 36. That's, if you have to solve this further, that will become what? 2d plus 4d is what? 6d is equals to what? 36. Divide both sides by 6. This one also by 6. This will cancel each other out. 6 here 1, 6 here 6. So my d here is equals to what? 6. I've gotten the value of my common difference. What do I need next? Let me get the value of my what? Of a. So the next thing is what? Substitute substitute the value of d equals to 6 into equation 3. What is equation 3? A is equals to 2d. That is equation 3. So I have this to now become what? A is equals to what? 2 open bracket 6. So my A is equals to what? 12. Therefore, I've gotten the value of A to be what? 12, and the value of D to be what? 6. But the question says find the sum of the first 8 terms of the progression. So now, what do we do here now? So I'll be applying, since they said sum, I'll be applying my Sn is equals to what? N over 2, open bracket of what? 2a plus n minus 1d. For this one now, I have the value of my A to be 12, the value of my D to be what? 6, and my N to be what? 8. But my S8 is what we are looking for here. So I have my S8 to become 8 divided by 2, open bracket of what? 2 times 12 plus 8 minus 1 multiplied by 6. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So I have this to become 4, open to the bracket of what? 24 plus 7 times 6. So when I have this now, this will become what? 4, open to the bracket of what? 24 plus 42. I have this to become what? 4, open to the bracket of what? 66. So therefore, the sum of the first 8 terms will become 4 times 66. Therefore, that should be 264. So if you have any question or any other question to ask, please kindly drop on the comment section below. Don't also forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.